Welcome to Economics Trainer. This video was made to help you strengthen your skills in microeconomics. Here we have a sample question, care of brighttutoring.ca. It's the kind of question you'd expect to see on a test in a first-year microeconomics class. Let's work through it together. So here's the question. Consider a competitive market with many identical firms. Each firm has a total cost equation of q squared plus 4q plus 36, which gives them a marginal cost curve of MC equals 2q plus 4. And then on the market demand curve is P equals 100 minus the market quantity, and the short-run market price is 20. With that information, what we have to figure out is the firm's short-run output level and profit. And then once we have that figured out, we have to find how many firms are operating in this competitive market in the short run. So let's start off with the first question here. So we assume we have profit maximizing firms, so MR equals MC. And then in perfect competition, marginal revenue equals price. So the price in the short run was 20. And the marginal cost was 2q plus 4. So here, let's just do a little algebra, move the 4 over. We had 16 is 2q. So your optimal quantity in the short run is going to be 8. And then once we have the firm's quantity, we can figure out profit, which is going to be total revenue minus total cost. So total revenue is price times quantity. So we have a price of 20, a quantity of 8, and then minus the total cost equation, which is what we have here. So it'll be q squared, so 8 squared, plus 4 times 8, plus 36. So let's see, what do we have here? 20 times 8 is 160, minus, in the brackets here, we have 64, plus 32, plus 36. So let's see, what's that going to be in the bracket here? 64 plus 32, so it'll be 132. So that's going to equal 28. So that's going to be the firm's profit in the short run. So here we have a short run quantity of 8. So each firm is selling 8 units, and each firm is making $28 selling that. And the next part here, we have to figure out how many firms are operating and are selling 8 each. So to do that, we have to use our aggregation equation. We'll say, okay, the number of firms is going to be the market quantity, the big Q, in the short run, divided by the little quantity for each firm. So we know how much each firm is making, which is 8. We just have to figure out the market quantity here. And to do that, we can just go back to the demand curve here. Since we know the market price is 20, so I say, okay, the market price is 20, 100 minus the market quantity. So your market quantity here in the short run is going to be 80. So here we have 80 divided by 8. So that's going to equal 10. So we have, in the short run, we have 10 firms selling 8 units each, and each making $28. And that's how you do that question. This video is brought to you by people who like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can also support my work by buying me a coffee.